Going on YouTube? At the Enthusiast here, back with another video. Now today's video, I will be doing spark plug upgrade. I got some HKS spark plugs, as you can see right there. 6 of them for the V6. So that should be good. Now, I don't have a JB4 yet. I'm thinking about getting one, but I don't know if I want to do it or not, but we'll see within the next few months if I decide to do it or not. But yeah, about to get them bad boys installed, so about to head on over to my good old mechanic, and we'll see y'all when I get there. All right, we popping. Got the HKS's right there. We took out the first spark plug. That's right there. Spark plug ugly. Yep, those are the factory spark plugs that come with the car. So we are getting the right side done first, and then we move over to the left side, which we're gonna have to take off this intake manifold. So the left side is always, it's the hard part. The left side, I mean the right side is the easy side, so we start with that first. So we got the first 3 replaced. Let me see, one there, one right there, and the other one is right there. It's the cold packs. Now we're on the other side, the difficult side, so we're trying to take the manifold off and get these other last 3 put in. All right, let me show y'all something. These 3 are the factory ones, and then this one is the new one, the HKS's. No complaints about these as I looked at reviews. Get some spark plugs, HKS's are the way to go. And they already come pre-gap, coming from K8StingerStore.com. Getting that intake manifold off is a pain in the ass. Getting there though. All the screws we done took out already. Got the intake manifold lifted up enough so we can get to that difficult spot right there. So now we're able to get the other 3 in. Now we're taking the first one out. All right, 5 down, 1 more to go. Get that bad boy put in and get everything put back together, and then we're gonna fire this bad boy up. All the plugs are in. The manifold is bolted down. Now we gotta connect the hoses, and we gotta connect this. Some more little screws and stuff we need to bolt down, but after that, the job is complete, and then we'll start it up. All right, we're about to start and see how it go. Like we good to go. All right, guys, made it back home. Got all the spark plugs put in. The drive back home was great. No lights popped up or anything, so everything was successful. But y'all guys let me know what you think. I might get a JB4, I don't know. I have to think about it, but if I do, it'd be great. But if not, I'm still satisfied. Love the car. But yeah, that's it for this video. Y'all stay tuned for my next video. I got another item coming on the way, so y'all stay tuned for that video. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all on the next one.